Hello students, welcome to Emerge with Innovation. Today's topic is properties of subtraction of integers. In this video, we are going to cover up 5 properties for subtraction of integers like we have covered in the previous video, the properties for addition of integers. Okay, so in the same way, we will cover up the properties, all same properties for the subtraction of integers. Okay, so this video can be a little bit big, so please watch the video till end, and those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for my upcoming more knowledgeable videos. Okay, alright, so let's begin up with first property, that is closure property. So let's see what happens. Closure property means whenever any integer is subtracted from any integer, always a new integer is gained. Okay, how we can see? We can understand by the example. First example, what I can say, suppose I'm subtracting 8 minus 3, I'll get a new integer, that is 5. Second example, what I can say, if I'm subtracting 5 minus 3, what I'll get? Again, in the next step, this 5 and this minus will become plus and it will become 3. Then what I'll get? 8. That means 8 will come here. So in every example, what I am getting? I am subtracting one integer from the other and I am getting a new integer. So that is called as closure property, that whenever an integer is subtracted from a particular integer, always a new integer is formed. Got it? Alright, coming to the next property. What is the next property? The next property, wait, let me write down here. It's not visible. Yes. Property number 2. What it is saying? Commutative property. Okay. So what commutative property says? That commutative property. Okay. In this, what it is saying, suppose I am subtracting a particular integer in this manner, a minus b, and I am interchanging the position of these both integers, then will I get the same answer or not? So let's check it out by the example. Here it is not equal. Why it is not equal? Let's see. In this example we will understand it. Suppose I am subtracting 8 minus 5 is equal to, and I am interchanging the digits, 5 minus 8. Here what I'll get? 3. And here what I'll get? 5 minus 8. That means from minus 8, 5 will be subtracted, so I'll get minus 3. Here it is 3 of plus and here is 3 of minus. That means both are not equal. So we can say that commutative property does not support subtraction. Okay. Now, coming to the next property. Property number 3, that is associative property. Associative property. Those who are new to my channel, so please you can watch out the first part of this same topic. In that we have covered addition of integers. Okay, all 5 properties I have covered in that. So you can see the video in the last. Okay, I'll upload it while closing the video. Okay, so associative property, or else you can go in the watch list also, so you can see it from there. Okay, so what it is saying, associative property, the rule for this, suppose I'm writing any particular integers, okay, in such a manner that I am writing a minus b minus c. I am having 3 integers. One is subtracted from other, and again on the right hand side a minus b minus c. In the first case, if I am keeping a minus b in the bracket, and in the next case I am keeping b minus c in the bracket, like this. So let me see whether I'll get the same answer or not. Again we can understand by the example. Okay, what will be the example? Suppose let's say see here, it is 6 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 4 minus 3. Let me see what I'll get. Suppose I'm taking this in the bracket and here I'm taking this both the integers in the bracket. So what we will get, let's solve both of them together. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 4 minus 3 will be 1. Okay. Then from minus 3 2 will be subtracted. What I'll get? Minus 1. Here 6 minus 1 will be 5. Both are not equal. That means here associative property does not support the subtraction. Here commutative property also was not supporting, and associative property was also not supporting. So we can say that both the properties are not supporting the subtraction of integers. Got it? Coming to the fourth one, that is the second last property, property of 0. Property of 0. This property is very easy. From the name itself we can understand that suppose an integer is there and from that 0 is subtracted. What we'll get? We'll get the integer same. We can take an example. Suppose I'm writing 10 minus 0. What I'll get? 10 itself. So property of 0 means whenever any integer is there and a 0 is subtracted from that, the same integer is the correct answer or the same result it is showing. Coming to the next one, fifth, that is the last one, property of 1. P-R-O-P-E-R-T-Y. Property of 1. So let's understand what does this property says. This property says that whenever any integer is subtracted from any integer, always the integer precedes. Precedes means, here let me tell you what is the meaning of precedes. Precedes. In Hindi, first time I am using the word in Hindi. Piche. So we'll get the backward one number. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. That means what I'll get? 3. It is less than 4. Another example I can take. Suppose I'm writing down here 11. This is of minus. And from minus 11, I'm subtracting minus 4. What I'll get? Minus 11 and minus 4. The both will become minus 15. And we know that in the case of minus, always the number which is shown the longer one. Suppose I'm writing minus 14 and I'm writing minus 5. So which will be greater? This will be greater. Why? This is near to the 0 on the number line. I think all might be knowing about the number line case. So here minus 11 and minus 4. What we have got? Minus 15. This means minus 15 is less than minus 11. So the same case we can say that whenever an integer is subtracted from a particular integer, always the result is preceded one. We used to get the answer backward integer. Okay, so now we have come to the end of the video. So if you have any query or any problem, you can drop me in the comment section and please give me your valuable feedback. Those who are new, subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon. You can also get the notification for my upcoming videos. Okay, so thank you. We'll see and we'll meet you in the next video with another new topic. Thank you. Take care.